Hello and welcome everyone. In this video I would like to review this lint remover device. I have received this one to review and it comes in this relatively big box. It has got 6 leaf stainless or steel rotatory blades, so it has like 6 blades so to say, dense structure, double protection design, so low noise, 3-gear speeds and suitable for all sort of clothes. And suitable for all sort of clothes. Now let's open it up and see what we have got. There we go. Looks like this. Right, so this is our device. Looks like this, pretty big actually. And so it's a USB-C charging, we have a USB-A to USB-C, and we have a couple of extra blades as well, which is great. And this is how we can open it actually, very simple as well, like this. And blades can be removed actually from here. We can just drag them out. You have got to be very careful because these blades are actually really sharp. There we go, just need to drag it out from here. So I don't want to really drag it because then just can cut the hand, but when you need to do so, I would use a tool. I won't use my hand because they are really sharp, as I said. So, and when it cuts basically the lints from this hole in here, it will drop in this space, which means you need to open up this one to clean it up. But quite a nice design, I would say. Let's turn it on like this. It's the first mode, second one and third one. Pretty cool actually, really nice. I can actually try it on the clothes, for example like this. I don't have much of lints I would say, but nevertheless you can see it's quite smooth. So let's see if it collected any lints. No, just some dust, because probably I don't have lints. Probably just a little bit in here. You can check it out like this. And there we go, actually here as well. So pretty cool. I think it's quite a nice device actually. So we have reviewed I think 3 of this so far. And I would say this is by far the best one. So first, it's not that loud. This is very smooth, so I would say this is still in here. It doesn't hurt the hand or something. And actually it's quite powerful. So, well, that's pretty much it. Hope you liked it. If you have any questions, let me know down below. And don't forget to subscribe. I always have new videos on a daily basis. Make sure you stay tuned. See you in the next video. Until then, take care. Thank you and bye-bye.